Previously, we talked about Maya CachePlayback didn't work in our scene. I think it has something to do with the geometry cache that we are loading up. So I can show you exactly what I did previously. So what I simply did was I had my animation cached out, and normally this is the usual production method is we'll generate some sort of geometry cache and then we'll load it back in. So with that said, I will just load it in real quick, and well, I think I click on the wrong thing. Let's just try this again. Geometry cache, import cache, and these are in cache. So let's go here, body. All right, so now I see my character body moving. I'm gonna change this to just 10 frames, and I'm gonna turn on the cache playback. So as you can see, the yellow means geometry caching is kind of stored in the RAM already, and there isn't any additional cache. We're supposed to see either red or blue on top of it, and that shows the dynamic cache. So we didn't see anything. We also show that there's some error with the cache playback. So to address this issue, I'll just remove the geometry cache real quick, and what we can do is actually export out our animation as Olympic, and then we'll bring it back in and use a blend shape to drive everything. So what I meant by that is I'm just going to show it to you. This is my Olympic, and as you can see, there is animation onto it. I don't really need to see this, so I'm just going to put it in the group and hide it. But what I will do is I will make a blend shape between the two objects. Then I will just turn on the blend shape here, and the body is moving again. And so now when I turn on the cache playback, you should see, there you go. Now the red bar is started moving. That means it's actually caching behind the scene. Now this has been very finicky. Sometimes it's working and sometimes it doesn't. Even though it seems like it's working, as you can see, it's not doing the right thing. I know for sure there are input measure tracked on the top cloth here, and then it should be stick onto its shoulder. So we should not be getting something like this. And look, clearly there's some sort of simulation there, but it doesn't seem to be accurate. And it doesn't matter how I reset simulation. Generally, you press the back button, it should reset the simulation, but this one doesn't seem like that's the case. Now I can turn it off and turn it back on and see if it works, but last time I tried this is just the same results. So so now it seems like it's working. So but yeah, anyway, so just to know, it's gonna be some sort little bit finicky when I use the cache playback in Maya. I think when it's working, it's a really good tool because you can continue looking at your scene, looking at the settings and stuff like that. But when it doesn't work, it definitely can be frustrating because you can change all these parameters on the settings, but nothing is changing for you. So just be aware of that. So that will be for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.